How's it going, guys? It's Dustin again, and welcome back to another video on the course. Today, excuse me, we're going to be going over Instagram, which is going to be pretty easy because if you've seen the Facebook video already, then Instagram is almost identical. The only difference is you go on Instagram, and then the link kind of takes you to the same place we were on the Facebook one. So, with that being said, let's switch over. So here we are, we're on my Instagram. This is my main page here, all my fun stuff, my gaming stuff, all that stuff. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your main page, and then you're going to click on this little gear up here. So, this is going to be a little different than on the app, and we'll hopefully do some videos there showing you on the phone, because everything's a little different on the phone than it is on the website, but in this purposes, we're showing you on the website. So you click that little gear up here, you're going to hit settings and privacy, and voila, look at that. If you've seen the Facebook one, it's going to look identically like this. And then you're going to see it says password security, personal details, see more in account center. You're going to click that, and it's going to bring us into account center. It's going to be a little brighter of a screen. For some reason, Instagram's is white where Facebook's is like a dark color. So then to do password security, I click here. And then to enable two-factor verification, you're actually going to click on two-factor, and it's going to give you all the options you want to do to enable it. So I don't think I have it enabled on my Instagram, so we'll do that real quick. So we'll click on, I'll go back here, we'll click on my Instagram account, and it wants me to use the authentication app. I personally, it's up to you guys. If you want a little more detail into that, I explain it more in my Facebook video, but I'll just do a quick rundown on here. So Authenticator app is an app you get onto your phone, like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, and what it does is it generates a code, a different code every like 60 seconds, and you type that code in to sign in. The only issue is if you switch phones or you get a new phone and you transfer your data, the Authenticator app doesn't transfer automatically. You have to manually transfer it, where a lot of people don't realize this because it doesn't really tell them. Then they lose access to their stuff. So I personally don't use Authenticator app. Hopefully they'll end up changing that. I think they should. But I always use text message. So I'll do text message. And look at that. It already has my phone number in here. Probably because when I made my Instagram account, I already knew. So that's fine. I'll hit next. And now I should get a code. Look at that. I got a code right on my phone. It says on here, it says my code and then Instagram. So I'm going to type that in, 360. Oops, or not. 36847. So your code will be different every time you log in. So you don't have to worry about that code like sharing. It says don't share it, but that code is different every time you log in. So just don't share it. If you didn't try to log in and you get a code on your phone for authentication, you know someone's trying to get into your account that isn't you. So that's where it gets important. And that's where you don't want to share your code then, because somebody's trying to get into your account. So anyways, we'll hit next. And wait, I guess. There we go. Two-factor authentication is on. We now ask for a login code anytime you log in on a device we don't recognize. To change your contact info, go to personal details section in account center. Bing, bada, boom, and then you can set up WhatsApp, get codes on WhatsApp. I don't use WhatsApp, but yeah, then done. And it even says down here, text message security method is on. Okay. Can you close? Oh, cool. There we are. And that's pretty much it. Then you can change your password here if you have to. Saved logins. This is specifically for Facebook, so not really, at least on the website. I know saved logins is on the actual app itself, the Instagram app. So then here is all this other extra stuff where you can see where you've been logged in at. So yeah, see, we detected unrecognized login. So I'm going to hit review. Windows PC. So August 5th. So I definitely was in Minneapolis at that time, and I definitely logged in. So this definitely was me. Boom. So I confirmed it. So you can see that kind of stuff, which is really helpful. Yeah, really, really nifty stuff. Once you're in this account center area, it's actually very well put together, pretty simple. So I do appreciate that they are fixing that up and making it a bit easier for people. But there's still a lot of menus you have to go through, so a lot of people just don't bother, you know. So anyways, that's pretty much it for Instagram for as far as enabling two-factor verification, how to change your password, where to change your password, and then see what devices are logged in and where you're logged in at, you know, all that important stuff. So yeah, anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in another video. Alrighty, ciao.